Okay, good afternoon everyone. It's my name's Phil Kane. I'm one of the crew members down here at the Shackleton today. Had a bit of an interesting scenario. The last engine run we had, we decided to break it. We blew a coolant hose, or we had some coolant hose damage on number 4 engine. This one here. Number 3 next door to us had a bit of a hydraulic challenge. And number 2, the other side of the fuselage decided to have a bit of a magneto or kind of electrical sparking kind of challenge. So we're down here today. The weather's been very nice. Luckily it's not rained, which is nice. And the biggest thing we've had today is we've looked at the temporary pipe that we actually had, this one here, and don't worry, this isn't how it actually ended up. This is what we had to do to get it off. We had to cut it off, and we've replaced the coolant hose, which we believe to be suspect. So we're going to quickly grab the camera and have a look. See here we have the new kind of coolant hose in question. Ignore the fact that those Jubilee clips look out of line. I promise you they're not. It's just a case of we need 2 Jubilee clips above and below the actual kind of compression areas on the pipe. Being typical Shackleton, it's faultless every step of the day. Can't believe how long it's taken to get this done, but then again, I guess that's what happens when you have product that lasts effectively through over 30 years ago. So yeah, only another 4 engines to go, and only another probably 20 or 30 coolant pipes. Excuse the helicopter behind. It proves that this is a live aerodrome, and we should be okay to go in a minute. So that's it for the minute. I'll be back online in a little bit. Take care guys, see you in a week. Bye bye.